What's up guys, in this particular video I'm going to show you this particular website that gives you free access to use their platform to generate your Seedance video. So this particular video is basically for Seedance. So if you want to know about this particular website, just follow me along as I show you through the website. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. Alright guys, this is the website we're going to be using. I'll be pinning the link in the comment section. Do check it out. So once you're here, I'm going to quickly you see there, I'm going to click on this sign up. You can see start a trial, $5 on us. So you can just click on any one of them, either they sign up or this is going to take you to the same place. So once you're here, I'll just quickly sign in using my Google account. So now you might be trying to do this and you come encounter this where you're going to show you what you just need, this error that's telling you that you couldn't verify your device. What you just need to do is just keep on trying. That's just the truth. Just keep on retrying it and it's going to definitely work out for you. Right guys, you can see it's now here. It now brought me to this particular place. So now it's from here you need to, there are stages you need to complete before the whole setup process. Before it takes you to the site. So on this side, I'm using my BC. I will just click on it and hold. Now you can see it has passed. Just try to prove that I'm not a bot. So now from here you can just click on next. Now on this side, got it. Now you can just fill up this bit, but I will just going to do skip for now. Now on this side you have to select something. So I will just go wait for me to ask. Now I'm just from here, just tap on any of these. Now from here, just do next. Now from here, you just click on hire. Now you are hired. So this is where it now goes. Now it will now redirect me to another page. Now it will not tell me either I need to I should share this to get qualified for, so to get, you can see $25 in credits. But if you can do that just like you referring them and the user sign up and make a purchase, you get your 25. But if you want to do that, you can just click on share. But since we just want to go ahead to create, and we just go ahead to just say it maybe later. So now it brings us to this page. So guys, once you're here, what you just need to do, you can see from here is more or less like there's no option for you to create video. There's nothing, almost like it's empty. Now what I'm going to now do, you can see on this side, I'm just going to come here. You can see ask. So I'm going to just click on this new chat. So once you click on new chat, it's going to bring you pop up this for you. Now you can, if you want to attach any file, I think you can do that. Okay, let me just try something. Let me attach a file. Now this is the file I attached. So now I'm going to, now on that top here, you have to ensure you make your prompts as detailed as possible, because one, there's no place for you to choose your aspect ratio here. There's no place, so you have to ensure in your prompt you add all those details there. So you have to ensure you add the aspect ratio and every other things you need detail. You need to be on the listen. You have to, that's what I said. Your prompt have to be as detailed as possible. So now what I'm now going to do, I'm going to bring in my prompt. So yes, I've gone ahead to add in my prompt. So here's the prompt I added. So now we can see from here I specified my aspect ratio even when I put in my image. So now let's just, once I'm done with all the stuff. So and also set your, I add 20 seconds to it. So you can just set your duration how you want it to be. So if you want it 10 seconds, if you want to, I just added 20 seconds to see if it's going to really give me a 20 seconds video. I just hope it does. Just come here, over here where you see this place, just click on it and it's going to send your this. So you can see it's a sent. So what you're going to do is just wait patiently for it to generate. It might take time. It might take time, like maybe 2 to 3 minutes, but it's going to definitely depends, since it's a free tool, depending on the numbers of people using it at that particular time. So it might take a little time. So what I'm going to just do is I'll urge you guys to do is just to be patient for it to generate. So I'm going to be patient on my own end and wait for the video to finish generating. All right, now you can see it has generated my video for me, and you can see from what it generated using it. So I just clicked on it so that it's loading up. So if you want to download, you can just click on here. It's going to download the video for you. So let me just download. Okay, my video has downloaded. You can see it has downloaded the video. So now what I'm going to now do, you can see, so I'll just play it so that you see what it generated for me.
Rise now and let the crowd remember us.
All right, you can see what it generated. Now I'm going to quickly just tell you what happened behind the scene, why it was generated. Now, 'cause immediately I click on the send button. It started. You can see from here as I added this in, attached the image and sent the send. So I waited for, and the stuff didn't start. So meaning, so I had to now copy only the prompts. So I had to now go ahead to copy only the prompt again. That's I copied the prompt, then I now send it again. So immediately I sent the prompt, it now that's only the prompt without the image this time around. It now started generating. So now what meaning I had what he did, the first one, I have to first of all upload my image first and send to this to it. It's going to read it. So before I will now send the prompt. That is what I just discovered on this particular listen. So once you send it and it's not going to start generating, you have to resend your prompt again. So that was what I did. I had to now resend my prompt again, and immediately it now started generating my video for me. And another thing I discovered also was that the 20 seconds I gave it is quite long. So if you give anything more than let's say 8 seconds, it's not going to, it might, after it starts generating, it will not tell you, might, like for example, if you go and enter something like 20 seconds video, that way it warrants it to do like 2 to 3 different generations for it to be able to accumulate together your 20 seconds video length for you. Now the truth there is that is now going to prompt you to add your card details, of which you are not, that's not what you want to do. So want to just generate the video for free. So I advise you to stick to 8 seconds. If you are specifying your duration, make sure you set something like 8 seconds. Give it to generate something like 8 seconds. Is going to be perfectly fine for you. So you can see at when I when I added the new prompt and I asked it to, okay, you can see from here. Let me show you. Okay, you can see that from here it says the duration 8 is supported. So so that's what it's trying to tell you that 8 seconds is supported, and you can see I will generate this with Seedance 2.0 fast. So this was what it used to generate my video. So guys, just try this particular website out. Just ensure you use the settings as I explained. Upload the image first. Once you upload the image, you send it, then you can now send your prompts in the next chat. So once you upload the image first, you send your image, then you now enter your prompt and send it. Tell it now to make reference to the uploaded. You can see what I did here. I say using the attached image, so it already knows that I already sent the image to it. So it will be able to generate your video for you if you use the right settings as I did so far. So that is just it about this website. Try it out and let me know your take in the comment section. So I'll be waiting for your feedback. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.